Looking for a great and budget-friendly dash cam in early 2026? Let me offer you 3 great choices, starting with the cheapest one, DDPAI Mini2X. If you're on a tight budget, but still want solid evidence when it matters, the DDPAI Mini2X is a surprising little performer. For roughly $50, you get QHD 2K video and a 360-degree rotatable lens so you can frame the road or angle it for the cabin without a fuss. Its Night Vis 2.0 AI ISP processing and large aperture help pull usable detail out of nighttime scenes, which means license plates and signs are less likely to disappear after dark. The low-energy parking monitoring and AOV power optimization stretch surveillance for days on a single hardwire setup, so it will still catch a hit or a prowler while you sleep. On the convenience side, you get fast 5G HC Wi-Fi for quick downloads and ADAS alerts to nudge you about hazards, all wrapped in a compact, unintrusive design. If you need an inexpensive primary camera or a backup cabin by rear unit for a multi-camera rig, the Mini2X punches way above its weight and is easy to recommend for budget-focused buyers. Stepping up to the mid-range, the DDPAI Z50 Pro brings true 4K up front with a 1080p rear feed, which makes it a strong pickup if clarity is your top priority. On the road, it captures crisp detail across a wide field of view, and the quicker Wi-Fi 6 transfers mean you won't be waiting forever to pull an important clip off the card. Night Vis 2.0 and AI ISP can brighten parking footage when you pair the camera with the intelligent hardwire kit, so overnight incidents stand a better chance of being recorded clearly. Built-in GPS, ADAS warnings, and voice control keep the camera useful during daily driving, while time-lapse parking mode and collision-triggered locking balance long surveillance with battery safety. The Z50 Pro supports large memory cards and uses a supercapacitor for heat resistance, which adds reliability for long trips or hot climates. If you want 4K front and rear performance without moving into flagship prices, the Z50 Pro is a practical, well-rounded choice that feels ready for everyday use and road trips. The DDPAI Z60 Pro moves into flagship territory with Sony Starvis 2 sensors that deliver HDR 4K up front and HDR 1080p to the rear, so footage stays detailed in high-contrast scenes like tunnels or sunrise drives. That sensor and image tuning combo makes a real difference for night and mixed light conditions, meaning evidence is more likely to be usable when you need it. Beyond image quality, the Z60 Pro adds higher frame rates for smoother motion, ultra-fast 5G HC transfers, and Pi-Link multi-camera syncing so you can expand to a cabin or extra rear view without a messy setup. When paired with the optional 4G module and hardwire kit, it becomes a connected guardian. Remote viewing, instant alerts, geofencing, and cloud backup let you keep an eye on your car from anywhere. ADAS prompts and voice-controlled captures help keep distraction low while adding practical safety and convenience. It costs more, but if you want the best low-light performance, flexible multi-camera setups, and true remote connectivity, the Z60 Pro is the one to consider. For drivers who take security seriously or who need pro-level footage for work, this feels like a future-proof pick. We hope you've enjoyed this quick dashcam comparison. If you did, please give the video a quick like and subscribe for more.